Alright, so this is ruining YouTube.
ASMR,
This is ruining YouTube. Don't pay attention to KSA. This, right here. The oh yes. I swear to God, if I see one more of them, I will kill myself. But anyways, pack opening. I have 20,000 money. I'll be back when I have 20. How much do I need? 25,000. Yeah, okay. Alright, well, I'll be back. I'm gonna work for the money. Jesus. Alright. There we go. Is he gonna be behind me this time? No, it's gonna be X, okay. Dang it. Alright. I have what? Oh, this is the last one? Okay, good. And slip. Boy, you suck. That's a start. 575. Extra packs. Open later. Alright. Do some playoff stuff. Speaking of playoffs, I was really hoping Saints would win over the Rams and Patriots would lose. But you know what? It's okay. It's just penalties called for no reason. And that, what is it? For like roughing the passer, right? And the other one for the Saints is Rams just knocks into the Saints.
let's go!
Like, wow. Why not call it? I just died.
Hurry up, here we go!
Keep throwing it to this guy. Why do I keep throwing it to this guy? Okay, I swear that was inbounds. God dang it. I could do all that.
Alright, here we go. Now let's go!
Good. Good. Okay, that was in. I swear.
Let's go!
Press A. Come on. Come on, A. Oh, come on. Pass was incomplete. Jeez. Come on. I'll just take the loss. A, more overall 74. Alright.
Hurry up, here we go! 319! 319!
Turn around. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Set! Blue landing! Blue landing!
Damn it.
Hurry up, here we go! 319! Set! Green 39! Set! Blue landing! Blue landing!
Alright, completed 4. Got 250. That's good. That's fine. Well, I mean, I guess we can open them. To start off with this. Select all, actually. Pack. Skip. Reveal. That's good. Not bad. Open pack. One more oh, that's good. Too bad it's not better than my other one. Okay. It's the last one until the legendary. Skip. Dang it. I went one better than mine. Alright, here we go. Reveal all. These guys are good. These guys are good. I might just get him. I don't know. Who else is 81 ranked? I don't want no HB. I'm already fine with receivers. Not really. I mean, it's a tight end. All he does is catch and block. And that's one of the. I mean, he's a tight end, QB, and tight end are the best ones to have, the most important ones on the team on offense. I'm gonna have to go with the OG himself, Randall McDaniel. Oh yeah. Open pack. Not like there's gonna be anything good out of it, right? Nah. Oh well. I'm Becker. I might as well update my team. 20 of them. That's fine. See if I can go get any other packs. Forgot to get this one I got on here. Good. I didn't know about these, but I have 59 of them out of 100. I can get Antonio Brown. Great. I feel like Madden is obsessed with Antonio Brown. It's all him. Might as well post some people. You know what? I'll sell them. Be nice. No, not that low. Not that low. That's not cheap. Alright. My auctions. I sell good prices. You know what I'm saying? They're really good. Especially, what is it? Where's my 70 at? 69 for 5,000. That's not that bad. Not that bad. This dude right here, he's a good. That's a really good price for a tight end. Well, man, I wish I could buy him. I mean, I could. But I'm gonna have to wait. Yep. Sadly. How about we just get into a game? Might as well do a season battle. Four quarters. Might as well take on the Browns. They were crummy that year. Alright. Hopefully. Okay, come on. Yeah, how slow it is. Jesus. Forgot why I turned it down. Make sure you guys comment down below what videos I want to see. Because I'll play any game you guys want. Any game. There we go. Come on. There we go. Good boy. Hey. You know, Fortnite is really something everyone wants to watch. I'll even get Fortnite. I mean, I'd rather Call of Duty over Fortnite any day, but I download Fortnite just to make videos. I mean, I might just give Fortnite a try. I've never played Fortnite. I mean, I have, but you know what? I might. You guys comment what you guys want to see. I'm glad I know they go for two. I mean, they go for one. I go for two, so I know I'll win that.
Let's go! Green 39! Green 39!
Dang it! Get him down, boy. Alright, I'll just keep pausing it and like show like 3 clips, maybe 5 from 1 quarter. Be back. Almost forgot about the trick. Oh crap. There we go. Oh god. Hold up, what just happened? No! Crap!
Let's go! Green!
Crap. Okay, I got that. I'm so happy. I got an interception. That was so cool, man. I swear. So happy about that.
Let's go! Green!
There we go.
Green 39!
Yep, okay. Why did I go on 4th down? Let me replay that. Watch this. Right, okay. Why did I not throw it to this guy right here? Like, I saw him when he was about, like, right here. I was like, nah, he's not open. And then once he got right here, I'm like, tap on him, tap him. Tap on the wrong guy. And I'm like, kill myself. He would have caught that. And now I gotta deal with this.
Green 39!
Well, at least I stopped him. No. Whatever. Hopefully this works. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, run, dude. No! Why do I do it twice in a row? Well, they got an interception. That's fine. It's all good.
Here we go!
Really? They just spike it? Really? Again? It's the end of the 2nd quarter, at least. Come on, boys. Oh, yeah. Stopped him at 3rd and inches. Now it's 4th and 3. Hello.
Here we go now! Here we go now! 319! Blue
3rd and 1. Come on, boy. There we go. Got a touchdown from doing the same running play. I don't feel really confident about this. Oh, God. Okay, come on. Got it. I was going right first. Because I thought we were going right. Stupid. Come on, boy. Hey, that was me.
Blue 90!
Blue 90. Oh, crap. Come here, boy. Ugh, that's me. Ooh, gets sacked at 3rd and 16. Boy. I'm gonna let the clock run down. Alright, I'm ready. I'm confident in this play.
319! No.
Quit covering me. No one likes you. No. No. Get him. Oh, yeah. That's right. 4th down. Oh, God, they're going for it. Who goes for it right here? Like, right here. Wow, dude. Excellent field position. Well, let's hope this works, folks. Ahoy. Wow. Wow. see when I get a touchdown. Or if I do because I suck. I swear, every time I do it right, it just, like, do it the right way, like, going the right, it just doesn't work out. I'll never understand this play. That's a touchdown to me. I don't know what you saw. Come on, boy. Come on. You guys are watching this. I feel confident. Yes! I should do 2.14 seconds. Oh, yeah. Come on, boy. That's me. Come on. Yeah?